Yes, students, today we will do lines and angles, mathematics chapter of class 9th. In this video, we will discuss question number 1, 2, and 3 only. Yes, students, today we will do exercise 6.2, first question. In this question, it is given that there are two lines AB and CD and T is the transversal. Angle 1 is given 50 degree, angle 2 is given 130 degree, and we have to find out X and Y, and we have to find out AB parallel to CD. Is it parallel or not? Now how we will be doing it? First of all, we will find out angle X. This T is a straight line, transversal it is a straight line. First we will find out angle X by linear pair. Angle 1 plus X is 180 degree because it is forming a linear pair. Angle 1 is 50, X we will find out, X will be 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. And angle 2 is equal to Y, 130 degree. They are vertical opposite angle. See, they have same vertex, they are vertical opposite angle, they are equal. Now X and Y both are equal to 130 degree, but they are alternate interior angles. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Solved. It is very easy. Now, in question number 2, it is given that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. And there is a transversal T which is cutting all these three sides. And Y ratio Z, it is given 3:7. We have to find out value of X. So I will mark this angle 1. I will mark this angle 1. So first of all, I will prove that all these three sides are parallel. How? AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. This is given. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. Reason is two or more lines parallel to same line are parallel to each other. So they are parallel to each other. All the three lines are parallel to each other. Now, what about Y and 1? They are equal. Angle Y is equal to angle 1. This is because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So, angle 1 plus Z, this is 180 degree linear pair. I will replace 1 with Y. So, Y plus Z is 180 degree. And ratio of Y is to Z is given 3:7. So 3K plus 7K, I am putting the variable K is equal to 180 degree. 10K is 180 degree and K is 180 divided by 10. It is 18 degree. And X plus Y, this is also 180 degree. Reason, co-interior angles on same side of transversal are equal to 180 degree. Now, angle Y, X we have to find out. Angle Y is, value of angle Y is, it is 3 into 18 equal to 180 degree. the this K, constant K is 18 degrees, so 18 into 3 is 54 degree, and X will be 180 minus 54, 126 degree, and X we have to find out, so it is 126 degree. Now look at this third sum. In this question it is given that AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD. Angle GED, it is given 126 degree. I have to find out angle AGE. I have marked question mark there, angle GEF and angle FGE. This I have to mark, find out. And solution is angle AGE is equal to angle GED is equal to 126 degree. Look at बेटा, ये पैरेलल लाइंस है और Z बन रहा है. Z बन रहा है, it means alternate interior angles. What reason you will write down? Alternate interior angles, they are equal. So angle AGE is 126 degree. Angle GED, it is made up of two angles, angle GEF plus angle FED. So angle GED is 126 degree. This you have to find out, and this is 90 degree because EF is perpendicular to CD. Angle GEF, it is 126 minus 90. So it is 36 degree. Angle GEF is this angle, it is 36 degree. 36 degree. Now I have to find out angle AGE plus angle FGE. This is 180 degree, linear pair. 126 plus angle FGE is 180 degree. So angle FGE is 180 minus 126 degree. Angle FGE is 54 degree. Solved. So all the three angles we have found.